Today we're going to talk about the angle cut or slit as machine options on the SYNEO Accu-Cut 202L. The Accu-Cut 202L is one of the machines in the SYNEO range of automated tube and wire cutting systems. Adding a slit option to the machine is just one of the features available on the 202. This feature means you can cut. Option is the dual or angle cut. This allows the part to be cut square at one end, on angle at the other, angle at both, or two square cuts. The angle of the cut can be fixed or adjustable. Typically, a slit or angle cut is required where the part needs to be removed post-process, such as a peelable heat shrink. Another machine option that can be included along with the slit is the flare. On this machine we see a cut, slit and flare, where we do a cut to length, slit one end and push the opposite end onto a heated tip and rotate it to replicate what is typically done manually. As with all SYNEO solutions, we follow the S-cubed, SYNEO specified success. If you have any questions, please visit our website or comment in the box below.